Today is July 25th, 2024, 6 p.m. This is a simulated repair for claim number 0748604915. A few things can happen here during a simulated repair. We can get material transfer, we can get nail pops, creases, granule loss, and tears. Okay, the shingle we're going to be replacing or doing the simulated repair is this shingle right here. Okay, we're going to get started.
Okay. Break that shingle free. Now in order to remove this shingle, we have to remove the nails from above it. Which means we will also have to lift out this shingle here, this shingle here, and this one right here on the end. Get to that last nail. Oh, it's really stuck down. That nail right there. That one's really
So as you can see here already, we're already experiencing some issues with material transfer right there.
Okay. Excuse me. This one we lifted. So I'll try to get this pry bar under here. Just yank that up. First nail. Set those over there so when you put them back in later, that's that one done. Lift this one up. These nails here. Okay, you want to switch sides with me because I'm right-handed. Any chance with your free hand you can hold the shingle? Alrighty. Number 2 out. Put these inside. Again. So I'm gonna have to do the same thing for this one. I can't get up under the edge of it. Okay. Pull the wood. Bend this under. Best we can. Watch your arm. Number 3. Hold on to that one. So we just got this one on the edge here. This one's real in there. Can you hold the shingle for me, please? Alright, that's number 4. What? With those 4 gone, the shingle will still not break loose. Got a couple more nails holding it under these shingles here. We'll have to remove this one as well. Same thing, hold it please. Thank you. Flush. Bear with me. getting underneath it. This one's put way in there. There's number 5.
We also have creasing on the shingle.
And here will be 6. Number 6. Alright, you can move over that way. You lift that one up for me?
This one right here?
Yes. Another one is very deep in there. Watch your arm. Seven there. Shingle on the end there.
Oh, we didn't unstick the other. We got one more? Oh, yeah.
Yep, one more nail in there. That's number 8. Number 9, sorry. Okay, while we're here, take note of the nail pops. Got one there, one on the end there, and 2 on that side. Okay, move this shingle out of the way. Take our replacement shingle. Add that in place. Now you'll see on this side here, there's considerable overlap. The different sizes of the shingles. This size 3 tap is discontinued. We are unable to get more of it. Now I'll put all those removed nails back. Can't see where this one was. Mind sliding that up. Okay. I gotta raise the shingle high enough. Get a flush hit on the nail head. Jeez, it will not go in. Bear with me. 4 we got from down here back. Straighten that one up. I really should be standing where you are to put these in more flush because I can't really hit them.
Sorry.
This one depends on the ball. Hard to hit them flush, which is why I keep doing it. Try that again, non-bent now. Four more for the top shingle. Do the same hole as in here previously.
Oh, that's a good nail pop right there.
Another visible nail pop. What's that bring us to? 4?
Yeah.
Again. Another
Oh,
one
another
there.
one right there.
There were 2 on this one, I believe. So, I'll get one more.
Another example nail pop right here too.
Tally them up.
So, we had 2 creases, no, 3 creases. We had material transfer. We had 5 nail pops. We had a tear. And now we're going to simulate 10 years worth of wind damage. As you can hear, these granules are just flying right off. That is the completion of our simulated repair.